Okay, we're back. We are now going to start the seed. This is building the starter for the sourdough. So we have our ingredients here. This is going to be a lot like feeding the baby, except we're using a bread flour now, not an AP. This is going to go into the bread itself, and quite a bit of it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with our scale again, and we're going to do 100 and, let me check that, 36 grams of flour. We're doing more flour this time because we're doing a we're doing a boule, and we need more starters so we can get that boule to rise properly. So 136 on the nose. Who's good? Good. Then we're going to do 136. Let's zero it out again. 136 grams of water. Let it catch up with you because you could easily go over. And okay, we're good. Now, this little jar, you can see it's our fed starter has done quite well, and actually it's kind of maxing out now. It looks like it's ready to go. We're going to want 27.2 grams of seed in here. The remainder of this that we don't use in here, I'm going to build two separate starters, smaller jars, one for Ashley and one for myself. So, okay, let's zero it out again. 27.2. I mean, if you're at 27, you're just fine. Okay, that's fine. Now, and we still have quite a bit left in the jar, so I've got plenty to make my, whoops, let's just forget I did that. Well, I can't, so let's just get rid of it. Same as we've done before, we're going to stir it, but we're going to use a bigger jar this time because this is going to rise quite a bit. This is going to take 12 hours just like the others. So we've done 3 12-hour fermentations on this starter. It's on a schedule. It's happy. It's really active. It's been staying at room temperature. It's got a little bit more sour on it. And we're good. So it's just this easy. Sorry about that noise. Again, my little technique. I like the clean jars. I like the mason jars because they're clear, they're easy to clean, and you know they're clean because you can see they're clean. And I just think they're cute. So that's just the way I am. It's how I roll. My family hails from Kentucky, and we make plenty of use of things like ball jars. Okay, emphasis on the ball. All right, here we go. Now, same routine as we've done before. We're going to take our rubber band, because again, I just like to see it's active and it's rising. And we're going to put it around here, more or less, because it's really going to grow. It's going to grow up into those letters. Again, this will be the last time this is on the bench. Tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up in the morning, 6 o'clock. I'm going to start, and I'll start to make bread. We should have bread by 2 in the afternoon because of the little, it could be even noon. But we're on the home stretch. So again, this was 136 grams of bread flour. I got this at Vaughn's Pavilions. $4. It's good bread flour. There's nothing wrong with that. But you can always order online if you don't want to leave the house. And King Arthur has great bread flours of all kinds. And then the usual suspects: the water, the jar, and the scale. So that's it. We're ready to go. And I can post the amounts of the bread flour and the seed to make this, which is again 136, and 27.2 grams of the sourdough stuff. All right. See you tomorrow.